In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font color in Yahoo Mail. To get started, open Yahoo Mail and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main mailbox screen, look toward the top left corner of the page and click New Message. This will open a new email draft where you can begin composing your message. Next, enter the recipient's email address in the To field. After that, add a subject line so your email has a clear title. Then type your message in the body of the email. Before changing the font color, it's a good idea to finish typing the text you want to format, because that makes it easier to select exactly what you want to update. Now highlight the word, sentence, or section of text whose font color you want to change. Once the text is selected, look at the toolbar near the bottom of the email body field. If you don't immediately see all formatting options, click the More Options icon. This expands additional tools that let you customize the appearance of your email text. From there, click the text color icon. When you open it, Yahoo Mail will show you color presets for both text color and highlight color. Since the goal here is to change the font color itself, choose a color from the text color presets. As soon as you click a color, the selected text will update to that new shade. Take a moment to review how it looks in your email. If you want your message to stay easy to read, it's usually best to choose a color that contrasts clearly with the background. That way your recipient can read it comfortably without any confusion. You can also repeat the same process for other parts of the message if you want different sections to stand out. Once you're done, give your email a quick final check to make sure the recipient, subject line, message content, and formatting all look correct. When everything is ready, click Send. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font color in Yahoo Mail.